Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll talk about YouTube SEO and how YouTube SEO works. So let's start our video. I'm Deep and you're watching Web with me. So guys, before starting our video, one thing that everyone must know is what is an SEO. SEO is a process of improving the quality and the quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. But in today's video, we are only discussing about YouTube SEO. So unlike any other SEO, YouTube SEO is a bit different and quite easy to use. YouTube SEO is all about the keywords that you use in your videos and the tags you put. As you probably know, keyword optimization is a key part of YouTube SEO. So if a video has lots and lots of views, chances are that video is optimized around a popular keyword. Now to know the trending words which you guys can use in your videos, all you have to do is go to Google and search YouTube Google Trends. Now by clicking on YouTube Google Trends, you will see the bunch of words, different words that you can add in your videos and that has been searched the most around the world. Like for example, the coronavirus. This word has been mostly searched in the around the world in the past 12 months. Now you can choose the words according to the country in which you live. Now if you want to see the trending words in your country, like for example in my country, if I want to see the words that has been mostly searched, I'll go to India and see the words that has been mostly searched in my country. Like for example, these are the words that has been mostly searched in my country. Now you can choose the words according to the trending words in your country and you can add them in your videos, or according to your niche you can choose different words and see their reach. You can also search a term in this search term bar and you can add the term. Like for example, my videos are usually on websites and YouTube, so I will search a term, for example, website development, and see how much this term has been searched in my country. Like for example, Uttarakhand, it has been mostly searched in Uttarakhand. So I can see the reach of this particular term and I can also compare it with other terms that I can use in my video. For example, if I compare it with the term web design, so as you can see, the reach of web design is far more than web development. People are searching more web design term than web development. So I can also get to know what people are searching and what people are interested in right now in your country or in worldwide, and I can make videos according to it. So the last thing that I want to add is try to add as many tags as you can, as it will only increase the reach of your videos. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe. Comment below for the video suggestions for next videos obviously, and queries. For queries you can also DM me on Instagram. I have given my Instagram link in description. Okay guys, then I'll see you in next video. Take care, bye.